Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Pearl Academy in Mumbai. Pearl Academy Mumbai is a well-equipped campus and was established in 1993. Pearl Academy Mumbai offers courses under the programs of Fashion, Media and Design. The Pearl Academy fees for all the courses that differ according to the program and duration. Along with Mumbai, the academy also has campuses in New Delhi, Noida and Jaipur. It functions with 3 schools handling their respective programs of design, media and fashion. The academy also offers 11-month weekdays professional programs in fashion, media and business. Pearl Academy has been recognized as the best design academy in India by ASSOCHAM 2016 to 2019 and has been ranked as #1 fashion college in India by Outlook, India Today and The Week. Pearl Academy Mumbai is not a degree granting institution, but it facilitates enrollment of students for Indian and international bachelor's degree from recognized institutions. It has international collaborations with Nottingham Trent University, University of Derby, Manchester Metropolitan University and Torrens University. The academy has also partnered with Adobe to make students acquainted with cutting-edge technologies. Further, it maintains academic and strategic collaborations with various organizations including the Fashion Design Council of India, Gems and Jewellery Skill Council of India, National Skill Development Corporation and the Academy of Indian Interior Designers. Pearl Academy is well equipped with all the modern amenities for the students. Some of the major facilities available at Pearl Academy Mumbai are: Pearl Academy has classrooms built with big collaborative spaces. The canteen of the college serves hygienic and delicious food to the students. Pearl Academy has 3 recreational rooms. It comes with the facility of indoor games and it is also used for various tournaments. The academy has hostel facilities separately for both boys and girls. The hostels have a spacious, safe and secured environment and are surrounded by pleasant landscapes. The kitchen of the academy comes with large dining halls. All the hostels have Wi-Fi connectivity and medical facility. The hostels are kept strict supervision and proper hygiene is maintained throughout them. The rooms of the hostels are equipped with AC, beds, dressing mirror, tube lights, LEDs, dustbin and mattresses. Fully automatic washing machines, iron and ironing board, tea coffee dispensing machine, dining area etc. are also available. The residents will have to pay the electricity charges themselves. Housekeeping facility is also provided at the hostels along with a television set in the common room area. Pearl Academy has 2 fully operational medical rooms. The institute has also tied up with nearby renowned hospitals for emergencies. So at next we will talk about this college's courses. Let's start with the UG courses. Under the design discipline, This college offers animation and VFX, accessory design, game design, graphics and communication design, interior design, product design, and user experience and interaction design. Under fashion, this college offers fashion design, fashion styling, and image design. Under media, this college offers fashion communication, advertising and marketing, journalism, and entertainment. Under the business department, this college offers digital marketing and data analytics, fashion and lifestyle business management, media and entertainment management, and global luxury brand management. Next is the PG course section. Pearl Academy Mumbai offers a total of 17 PG courses. The final selection to these courses is done on the basis of score obtained in GPT or DAT followed by personal interview or PI. To be able to apply for any PG course, candidates need to clear the graduation in any stream from a recognized university. Under the design discipline, this college offers interior design and styling, accessory design, graphic and communication design, product design, retail and experience design, and user experience and interaction design. Under the fashion discipline, this college offers fashion design, costume design, and fashion styling and image design. Under the media discipline, this college offers fashion communication, advertising and marketing, entertainment, and journalism. And under the business discipline, this college offers fashion business, that is marketing and merchandising, creative entrepreneurship, media and entertainment business, and luxury brands. Next is the professional program. Pearl Academy Mumbai offers professional program in all streams except design. It is an 11-month course and anybody who has a proficiency in English is eligible for this course. The final selection is done on the basis of students' performance in the GPT followed by the performance in personal interview. Under the fashion discipline, this college offers fashion design, fashion media makeup, styling for interior, celebrity and bridal hair and makeup, personal styling and image consultancy, and fashion design Indian wear. Under the media discipline, this college offers advertising and graphics, digital filmmaking, professional photography, wedding and events photography, and fashion photography. And under the business discipline, this college offers fashion buying and merchandising. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Pearl Academy Mumbai offers numerous courses under the disciplines of fashion, design, and media. All these courses have different eligibility criteria and selection procedures. Applications are assessed for fundamental eligibility, academic results, and other proof of the suitability of the candidate to his or her preferred program. For the UG courses, eligibility criteria is that the candidates must have completed 10+2 or any equivalent exam from a recognized university. For the PG courses, it is students should have completed bachelor's degree from a recognized university. For the professional certificate program, eligibility criteria is that students must pass 10+2 or any equivalent examination from a recognized university. Duration of the postgraduate program is 2 years and fees is 7,10,400 rupees. Duration of the undergraduate program is 3 years and fees is rupees 8,10,000. Duration of the diploma course is 11 months and fees is rupees 3,01,000 only. The Pearl Academy Mumbai admission can be done by filling up the application form which is available online and offline. The students will have to pay an application fee of INR 1,500 and international candidates will have to pay an application fee of $30. The candidates are selected on the basis of Pearl Academy cutoff. At next we will talk about the scholarships at Pearl Academy. First is the Merit Scholarship. This Pearl Academy scholarship is awarded annually to the students who have topped in their respective course. It is applicable only if the strength of the class is a minimum of 30. Course topper acquiring a minimum of 60% in master's program, first class in PG and higher second class in UG. In case the strength of the class is less than 30 but not less than 20, the scholarship will be offered to the topper who has acquired a minimum of 70% marks in UG and distinction in PG. Next is the Merit Cum Means Scholarship. This scholarship offers a partial tuition fee waiver to a maximum of 10% new students. Pearl Academy Mumbai offers a tuition fee waiver of 50% and 25%. The scholarship is offered to the first year students only based on the 10th and 12th marks, which is for UG applicants, or 12th and graduation marks, which is for PG applicants, personal interview and studio test. At last we have the industry scholarship. A full scholarship will be granted to the students who secure ranks between 1st and 5th, which is 20% of the batch in their respective course. Part-time scholarship will be granted to the students who get ranks below 5th, which is below 21% of the batch, up to a rank equivalent of the batch. These scholarships are only awarded to the students whose family income falls below the annual prescribed salary of INR 6 lakh. At last, we will talk about Pearl Academy Mumbai placements. Pearl Academy made an impeccable placements record with 99% placements in 2018 and 96% in 2015. The academy is visited by more than 700 companies from the fashion and design industry. The Pearlites indulge in live projects conducted by the academy. Some of the live projects are internship in Godrej Interior, visual merchandising in Sham Emporium, India Design 2018, The Creative Indians 2013, Liva, which falls under Aditya Birla Group, and Setu, etc. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends for being with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then,